Hello students, welcome to Meetu Maths classes. Today's topic is trigonometric functions, and in this particular question we are going to discuss about measurement of angles. So let us start with the question. Your question is, find in degrees and meridians the angle between the minute hand and hour hand of a clock at 3:30. So you have to find out, you are given a clock, and in the clock we know that there are two hands, one is minute hand and the other is hour hand, and we are supposed to find the angle between these two hands when the time is 3:30, or we can say that 3 hours 30 minutes. So let us first try to find out that what is the angle traced by the hour hand in 3 hours 30 minutes. So we know that for the hour hand completes one rotation in 12 hours. तो जो hour hand होता है आपका, वो आपका क्या किस टाइप से रोटेशन लेता है, पूरे 12 आवर्स में 360 डिग्री कवर कर लेता है, वन रोटेशन ले लेता है. So the angle traced by hour hand in 12 hours will be 360 degrees. तो आपको कितने आवर्स में देखना है? 3 hours 30 minutes. And 3 hours 30 minutes can be written as 30 upon 60 hours, or we can say that 1/2 hours. So this will be 7/2 hours. So that will implies the angle traced by hour hand in 7/2 hours will be 360 को आप 12 से डिवाइड कर देंगे, and then you are going to multiply with 7/2, and this will give you 105 degrees. So the angle traced by the hour hand will be 105 degrees. Okay. Now we will see what will be the angle traced by the minute hand in 30 minutes. We know that the minute hand completes one rotation in 60 minutes. So the angle traced by minute hand in 60 minutes will be 360 degrees cover कर लेती है पूरा 60 minutes में. So the angle traced by the minute hand in 30 minutes will be equals to, देखो 3 आवर्स में तो पूरे 3 रोटेशंस ले लिए होंगे उसने, बट अब आपका हाफ रोटेशन में 30 मिनट्स में उसने कितना एंगल ट्रेस किया होगा? यू आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड 360 by 60 and then multiply with 30. So it will be 180 degrees. Now तो अब आपका ये जो मिनट हैंड है, that has traced 180 degrees. Now the difference between, we are supposed to find out this angle between the two hands. Hence the angle between, the required angle between two hands will be the difference of these two angles, that is 180 minus 105, that is 75 degrees. But we are supposed to find out this angle in degrees and radians both. So now we are going to convert degrees into radians. We know that 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radians. So 75 degrees can be written as pi by 180 multiplied by 75 radians, and this will be 15 pi by 36, or we can reduce it further, that is 5 pi by 12 radians. So the angle between two hands in radians is 5 by 12 and in degrees it is 75 degrees.